Hello friends, in this video we will code just simple mini ATM and the code will be simple. So let's just start. I already created a folder mini ATM which is currently empty. We will create our C file and load our standard IO. Okay, so we will show some message to the user. So we will make it more presentable. And okay. So let me tell you, like this code will have like simple to check balance, to deposit, withdraw money, and nothing else. So this is a just basic one. Okay. And we will add some lines here as well. We will compile to see how this message appears on the screen. So yeah, it's looking good. Welcome to Mini ATM. So now we will add loop here until the user exit the ATM by itself by choosing some kind of a choice. And for that we need some prompts here as well. We select an option, and the option will be one will be for check balance, and the second option will be deposit, what you can say, money. Yeah, okay. And the third option will be withdraw money. And the fourth one is obviously the last, which will be the last one for exit. Okay. And we will use a printf user choice ask from the user, and we will use a scanf here. For that we will, because we need to integer values from the user, for that we will use a %d here, and we need some kind of a variable to store the choice of the user. For that we will declare our int variable here above at the top, and yeah, we will with the reference choice. Okay. Now we have showed the main title of our ATM, welcome to Mini ATM, and then after that in the loop we will prompt for the option to select an option, and user will choose any option from these four. And for that we need, I think better to use a switch statement here. Switch, we will pass simply a choice, and the first case will be 1. For 1 we will use which way we can use for the one value. Okay, so for the one we have already given the option to the user to check balance. So for that we will a function called check balance, and we will just break it. Okay, and after that we need to pass balance to the user. For that we need another variable which will be a float, because balance, and by default we will pass $1,000 in our balance, and we need to pass this balance to the check balance function. Okay, and for that we need a prototype here. Prototype will be because this will not return anything to the user, it will just prompt the balance. So for that we will use simply check balance, and this will accept a float variable of, I think balance is right. Okay, and we will define this. Also we have defined the void because this will not return anything, and while we will function definition will be here, and params will be float balance, and for that we need to just prompt to the user that your account balance is, I think it's a proper message, your current balance is. Okay, this will be, I think I have already written down all the messages here to look nice, and so we can show a proper message to user. So I have already written down all the messages here. For the check balance I have added a message your, and your current balance is. Okay, obviously we need to show a dollar sign, and with the two decimal percent or two decimal numbers, and for that we don't have to show any other prompt to the user, we will just simply show the balance here. Okay, so I think we should first test this. Before testing this, I think we need to add one more thing here. We forgot to add a default value here. For default we will just prompt the user that invalid Joyce, please try again. Yes, this is the message I have written here. Okay, and we will test this first function by just compiling our code and by running it. Yeah, we will get welcome to ATM, and let's say I have selected the 8, invalid choice, please try again. Okay, I got the proper message. Now we need to check the balance. For that I need to press 1, your choice 1. Okay, your current balance is, okay, it's perfectly looking fine, and for that we need to add the other cases as well, but before that I think we will add a sorry about that, we will add a case here for the, now we will add a second case here, and second case will be a deposit, and we need a balance for that as well. We will break the loop here, switch statement, and we will define a prototype here. So for the deposit, when user will deposit the new balance, we need to make sure that after adding the balance, we need to return the balance, and we need to update this float balance variable as well. So for that, the return type will be a float, because this function will return a float value. And for that we need, I think, yeah, already define a balance, so the new balance will be updated here. So for the deposit, we will add a new function here, and this function will accept a float balance. First we need to check like the we don't have to, there are any, no, I didn't written prompt messages for this. Okay, so first we need to get the amount from the user, I think, yeah, because this, yeah, user will be deposited, so we need some kind of amount here, and we will just show the message to enter the amount. I think we need a handbrake, enter the amount to deposit, and we will add a dollar sign here. For that we need a scanf here to get the person app, and we will just simply, I think, yeah, okay, so the amount, so we need to reference this amount. Now we are depositing the money. First we need to check the user enter the amount should be a greater than 0, so for that we need a condition. For that we need a condition, and in amount is greater than 0. If amount is greater than 0, we will write this part where when amount is not greater than 0, we have written a message here, invalid deposit amount, please try again. Okay, we will just simply show invalid deposit amount, please try again. And if the amount is greater than 0, we have to add this to a balance, and we are already getting the balance in the params. We will add this amount to the balance simply, and we need to obviously show some message to the user. You have successfully deposited. Okay, now we need to show the user user entered this amount. So we have showed this to a user that you have successfully deposited, and the amount will be shown, and your new, we have also display that your new balance is person, and then we will show the new balance here. Okay, and we just simply, because we have incremented the balance, we just need return, we will just return the balance here. Okay, so this is, I think, that so let me just okay, I think we got some error. Okay, where is it? Okay, what's the issue here? Amount. Okay, scanf load. Oh, okay, but the argument type is float. Sorry, okay, and now we are good to go. And we will add the case 3 now. For case 3, case 3 will be withdraw, and obviously this will also need a balance as a param, and this will return a new balance. This function will return the updated balance, so for that we need to update the balance variable as well, and we have to define a prototype here. For that we need a withdraw here, and obviously we'll just simply accept the float withdraw. Okay, and we forgot to add a break here. And now check balance is done, deposit is done, and we will, sorry about that, we will add a float withdraw, and this will just accept a float value of balance, float param type of balance. So we need, obviously we need amount from the user, which the user will want to enter the amount to withdraw, and we will tag the input from the user, and this time we will not make any mistake, it will be a float value. So, and we will pass the amount here. Now we have to check here if amount is greater than 0, and we also need to check the amount should be less than or equal to balance, because we can't allow the user, like let's say user have $1,000 and user have entered a $2,000, which is not in his account balance, the user account balance. So we enable, we will not proceed this if statement, and that user will unable to deposit the money, sorry, withdraw the money. Okay, for that we need an else here, which is to prompt user invalid withdraw amount, please try again. Okay, and for that case we need, let's say amount is greater than 0, then we will decrement the balance with the amount, and we will show some message to the user. Where's the messages I have written for the withdraw? Okay, yeah, I think, and yeah, okay. You have successfully withdrawn, which amount will be $sign obviously, and the percent will point to F, and which one, yeah, we will show some the amount, simply show the amount, and we will show the user your new balance is $sign and this is new balance, and we need to return the balance to the user. Okay, amount is greater than 0, then we have processed this, or less than That's the amount. Let's say if we user enters something else, then withdraw amount, and when withdraw amount, please try again. Then we also need to show, like, let's say if a user entered a amount greater than balance, then we need to show that you have insufficient funds, and and we also have to show the user the balance that the user knew about, like how much money do the user have. So for that, I think we need an if else condition here. Okay, if amount is greater than, I think, greater than balance, okay, then we need to show just prompt to the user insufficient funds, your balance is, and we will show the this will be right. So any other messages left for this? I don't think so. And your balance is okay, that's fine. And now we need to show, not show, we need to add the last case here. For that, let's say if user entered a 4, and for all we just simply terminate our program. For that we can use it done 0, but we need to show some prompt to the user as well, and we will define our function prototype here, and this will just some simple prompt. So this function will be void and exit ATM, nothing else. This will not accept anything. Okay. And we will exit ATM. We will show the prompt to the user. Thank you for using Mini ATM. Have a great day, and we will add a line break, obviously. Okay, thank you for using Mini ATM. Have a great day. Okay, so now I think everything is completed and done. So it's time to test our code. Let me just, okay, I think we got some error. Okay, we got 2 errors. Which is, oh, sorry, there's a typo. And here as well. No, okay. Oh, sorry. I have to clear it up. This is void. Okay. And yeah, we are good to go, I think. We will just save, compile our code, and run. Okay, welcome to Mini ATM. Please select an option. I think for the menu option we need some kind of a line breaker. For now we will just exit. Thank you for using Mini ATM. Have a great day. Okay, here to line break option and choice. Option have a line break. I think you need. Okay. Exit have a line break. How about adding the two line breaks here? And for the choice, I think we need to add one more line break here. And for the exit, I think it's not showing properly. How about adding a one more line break? Now we will test this. It's looking good now. Please select an option, and we will just simply your choice. Simply check our balance. Your current balance is $1,000. Yeah, select an option. I think we need to deposit some money. We will add $1,000 more into the amount to deposit, and please select an option. And your new balance is 2,000, and we can confirm by checking the balance again. And your current balance is 2,000 now. Okay, now we need $1,000 to buy some stuff, so we will just withdraw the money. And for that, enter the amount to withdraw. We will add $1,000. So again our balance is 1,000. We will confirm this by checking the balance again. Yes, select an option, and now we will use option 4 just to exit. And thank you for using Mini ATM. Have a great day. We got this message, and we just simply, I think, hit. Okay, where is it? Okay, yeah, I think it should be a dot to make it look good. Okay, we will compile this again. We will run. We will option 4. Yeah, have a great day. And now we have a period at the end. Okay, so this is our simple code for the Mini ATM, and this is just the 80, I think, yeah, 88 lines of a code. So this is yeah, this is why I love programming. I love coding. I love to code every day, and I love to see the other people code and review it. And you can do whatever you want with the code if you know any programming language. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.